We need banks. They are essential institutions in our modern society, providing a range of financial services that help keep the economy running smoothly. People need a safe place to keep their money. Banks offer security and peace of mind, ensuring that our hard-earned cash is protected from theft and loss. They need ways to borrow money and ways to grow their money. Banks provide loans for personal and business needs, and offer investment opportunities to help people build their wealth over time. Believe it or not, banking has been around for a very long time. The concept of banking dates back thousands of years, evolving through various forms and practices. The earliest banks were in Babylon, a place that existed over 4,000 years ago. These early financial institutions played a crucial role in the economic life of the city. Back then, people didn't use paper money or coins like we do today. Instead, they relied on a barter system, exchanging goods and services directly. They traded goods like grain, animals, or precious metals. These items had intrinsic value and were used as a medium of exchange in the absence of currency. Temples acted as the first banks. These sacred places were trusted by the community to safeguard their valuables. They were seen as safe places to store valuables. People believed that the divine protection of the gods would keep their possessions secure. People trusted the priests to keep their possessions safe from thieves. This trust laid the foundation for the banking systems we rely on today. Way back in ancient Greece, things started to change. The bustling markets were filled with traders and merchants, and the concept of money began to evolve. People started using coins made of gold and silver. These coins were stamped with various symbols and values, making them easy to recognize and trade. This was a big deal. Coins made trading much easier. Instead of bartering goods, people could now use coins to buy and sell items, simplifying transactions. You didn't need to carry around a sack of grain anymore. A small pouch of coins could hold significant value, making it convenient for traders and buyers alike. The Greeks also set up banks. These institutions became central to the economy, providing a safe place to store wealth. These banks did more than just store money. They facilitated various financial transactions, helping to keep the economy running smoothly. They gave out loans and even exchanged different currencies. This allowed for greater flexibility in trade and commerce. Imagine going to the bank to swap your drachmas for denarii. This exchange system was crucial for international trade. The mighty Roman Empire took banking to a whole new level. Their vast empire required a sophisticated financial system. Roman banks were very organized and powerful. They had a structured system that ensured efficient management of funds. They played a big role in collecting taxes and financing big projects. This was essential for the maintenance and expansion of the empire. Imagine the bank helping to build the Colosseum. These financial institutions were integral to the development of monumental structures that still stand today. After the Roman Empire fell, things in Europe changed a lot. During the Middle Ages, trade became very important. Merchants, the business people of their time, needed new ways to handle their money. Special groups called merchant guilds emerged. They acted like banks for their members. They also helped to develop new ways of doing business, like using credit. That meant you could buy something now and pay later. Fast forward a few hundred years and boom, the Industrial Revolution happened. This era was a turning point in human history, marked by a massive shift from agrarian societies to industrial powerhouses. Cities grew rapidly, and with them, the need for more organized financial systems. The world was never going to be the same again. New machines, factories, and inventions changed the world forever. The steam engine, for example, revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, making it possible to produce goods on a scale never seen before. This technological leap required a new kind of banking system to support it. Banking had to keep up. Banks became more sophisticated. They evolved from simple places to store money into complex institutions that offered a variety of financial services. This transformation was essential to support the burgeoning industrial economy. They started offering new services like checking accounts and savings accounts. These services made it easier for people to manage their money and for businesses to handle their finances. It was a win-win situation for everyone involved. They also played a big role in financing the growth of industries. Banks provided the necessary capital for businesses to expand, innovate, and thrive. This financial support was crucial for the development of new technologies and industries. Imagine a bank giving a loan to build a railway. These massive infrastructure projects were made possible by the financial backing of banks. Railways in turn connected cities and towns, facilitating trade and commerce on an unprecedented scale. Today, banking is easier than ever before. With the advent of digital technology, we no longer need to visit a physical bank to conduct our financial transactions. The convenience of modern banking has transformed how we manage our money. We can do almost all our banking online or with our phones. From checking account balances to transferring funds, everything is just a few clicks or taps away. This level of accessibility was unimaginable just a few decades ago. We can transfer money, pay bills, and even invest in the stock market with a few taps on a screen. The power to manage our finances is literally at our fingertips, making it easier to stay on top of our financial health. Who knows what amazing banking inventions the future holds? With advancements in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and other cutting-edge technologies, the possibilities are endless. The future of banking promises to be even more exciting and user-friendly. One thing is for sure, banking will keep changing to meet the needs of people all over the world. As our lives become more interconnected, the banking industry will continue to innovate, ensuring that everyone has access to the financial services they need.